Today we had a district level review committee meeting of District Task Force Tobacco Control, North Goa District, under the chairmanship of our collector, Mr. Levinson Martins. This meeting usually held every quarterly, and this meeting we usually discuss about the tobacco control activities, how to strengthen tobacco control in the district of North Goa. We do enforcement of COTPA, that is Cigarette and Other Tobacco Products Act. Our enforcement squads are formed under the chairmanship of the collector. We have enforcement squads in all the talukas of North Goa. The joint mamladars are the head of the enforcement squads. We have police department with us to enforce the COTPA section 4, section 5, 6 and 7. We have the NGOs working with us for tobacco control and enforcement in North Goa district. Besides that, we have tobacco cessation centers for the tobacco users at district hospital as well as all the health centers across Goa. And we have Goa Dental College also, who has a tobacco cessation center. They do counsel the tobacco users to reduce tobacco use and to quit tobacco use. We have medications available at our district hospital, MAPSA. People who want to quit tobacco, we give them counseling as well as we give them medicines to stop tobacco. We usually have awareness activities for the school children because they are the youth and they are our future. So we do awareness in all the schools of North Goa. We have education department with us. We do awareness activities for the technical education students as well as our college students. We make them aware about the various health hazards of tobacco and what harm they will have after, like addiction. So tobacco is considered as a gateway drug for all other drugs. So we want our young children not to start tobacco and say no to tobacco. That is my message. Say no to tobacco always.
So today at the North Goa District Committee meeting on tobacco control, we have highlighted to the district collector the very important need to crack down on the smuggled illegal foreign cigarettes that are entering Goa. Much of this consumption is taking place during many events which are drawing many tourists. So soon after the tourism season has started, right from IFFI to many of the programs that are taking place. So one of the points that we have highlighted is there, because today, as we can see, these type of packets which do not have any name, address, nothing, having strawberry flavor, menthol flavor, tobacco, chocolate flavor, these type of cigarettes are now becoming accessible. The second point that we have raised is that very importantly that we have to make North Goa district compliant at a district level, and that is by declaring it tobacco free. So which means all the signages which are to be put up in public spaces. There are many banks which have still not followed the procedure. We have also highlighted that many of the gadas, they are being misguided, and some companies are putting their logo as a decoration on these gadas. So that is a violation also which we have highlighted. And one of the major points that we have put up is that it's very important that the health impact of tobacco should be highlighted, and therefore various schools and high secondary should be provided financial support so that they can conduct the activities in the schools, reaching out to the parents and the children about the harmful effects of tobacco consumption. We are particularly concerned that a large amount of gutka is still reaching the migrant labor. So for this instance, we have requested the collector to issue specific directions where seizures can be done also for violations under COTPA.